Hello everyone. Today we will start a new chapter, that is life processes. We will study about these life processes in detail in this chapter. But for small introduction, what are these life processes? हम किसको life processes बोलते हैं? All the processes which together make the living organism alive and do the job of maintenance, they are known as life processes. Various life processes are performed by living organism. For performing all the processes, they need energy. They take energy from the outside as a food, and the process is known as nutrition. Now various chemical reactions occur in the body, and special reaction, oxidation, reduction reaction occur, which form the energy source in the body. And that process of taking oxygen and performing oxidation and reduction reactions is known as respiration. Now the waste products, they are thrown out of the body, and the process is known as excretion. Now energy and food and oxygen, they are transported to different parts of the body, and the process is known as transport. And there is coordination of all these processes, and they together constitute life processes because they are responsible for making the living things alive and performing the job of maintenance. Now, how to differentiate between living एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में हमारे आगे पीछे बहुत सी लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं, बहुत सी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं. हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि ये लिविंग है या नॉन लिविंग थिंग है? हम खुद ही आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं ना. हम कैसे करते हैं? हम देखते हैं अपने आगे पीछे डॉग है, वो मूव कर रहा है तो हमें पता है कि ये क्या है, लिविंग है. कैट है, वो मूव कर रही है, रन कर रही है, तो ये क्या है, लिविंग है. चिल्ड्रन प्ले कर रहे हैं, दे आर लिविंग. ऐसे हर चीज़ जो है लिविंग थिंग वो मूव करती है. प्लांट्स जो है वो मूव नहीं करते, उनकी बॉडी मूव नहीं करती, पर उनके बॉडी पार्ट्स जो हैं वो मूवमेंट करते हैं, मूवमेंट शो करते हैं. जैसे टच मी नॉट प्लांट है, उसको हम टच करते हैं तो उसके लीव्स क्या हो जाते हैं, फोल्ड हो जाते हैं, दे शो मूवमेंट. पर इसके अलावा जो मूवमेंट के अलावा हम देखते हैं ये ग्रो कर रहे हैं, रिप्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, दे ऑल आर लिविंग. और क्या होता है लिविंग थिंग्स में, क्या होता है कि जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं, मल्टी सेल्यूलर, यूनिसेल्यूलर, किसके बने हुए हैं, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स. और सेल्स किसके बने हुए हैं, मॉलिक्यूल्स. और सेल्स के अंदर बहुत सी मॉलिक्यूलर रिएक्शंस होती हैं, बहुत सी मॉलिक्यूलर मूवमेंट्स होती हैं. We can't see with naked eyes, but they are very important for the maintenance of life and form the basic feature of living organisms. Okay, now we can differentiate between living, on-living and non-living things. First is characteristics of life. जितने भी living organisms हैं, they perform, they show all the characteristics of life, whereas non-living things, they do not show the characteristics of life, movement. Now we have done that living things, they move from place to place. Plants parts also show movement, बट नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स दे डू नॉट मूव बाय देयर ओन. जैसे बॉल है, उसको हम थ्रो करते हैं तो मूव कर रही है, ऐसे तो मूव नहीं करते हैं. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स खुद से मूव नहीं करती हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलस. जो लिविंग थिंग्स हैं दे गिव रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलस. जैसे प्लांट्स में हमने टच किया उसको, टच मी नॉट प्लांट को, तो उसके लीव्स क्या हो गए, फोल्ड हो गए. जैसे वाटरिंग ऑफ माउथ ऑन सीइंग डिलीशियस थिंग्स. Dog wags his tail on seeing his master because he becomes happy. But non-living things, they do not show response to stimulus. Next is growth and development. All living things, they grow and they reproduce. Reproduction means giving birth to young ones of their own kind. Now next is nutrition. For performing all the life processes, living things, they need energy, and they get energy in the form of food. The process of getting energy from the outside in the form of food, it is known as nutrition. Now next is the living things, they show the process of nutrition, whereas non-living things, they do not show the process of nutrition. Then another is lifespan and phases. All the living things, they have a particular lifespan and life cycle. The lifespan or cycle is divided into various phases. As they take birth, they grow into adult, then they reproduce, then they grow older, and then they die. But these processes, this lifespan is not exhibited by non-living things. Next is repair. There is a automatic self-regulatory process of repair in all living things, but it does not happen in non-living things. Evolution. All the living things, they show the process of evolution, they can evolve, but non-living things, they do not show the process of evolution. All these characteristics, all these features distinguish the living things from the non-living things. Now next is life processes. Now life processes, we have discussed earlier all the processes together which make the living organism alive and do the job of maintenance. They are known as life processes. Various life processes are exhibited in the body of living organisms. We will study about them. First is nutrition. Now various processes occur, various activities occur in the body of living organisms. For performing all these activities, what they need energy, and this energy comes from outside the body in the form of food, and the process is known as nutrition. The process of taking energy in the form of food, then digesting it, then utilizing it is known as nutrition. प्लांट्स में क्या होता है, दे आल्सो नीड फूड, तो अपना फूड खुद प्रिपेयर करते हैं थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर, सनलाइट एंड क्लोरोफिल विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन देयर लीव्स. Now animals, they can't prepare their food, they take food from the plants, and some animals, bigger animals, they eat small plants and get the energy. Now next process is respiration. Now for getting energy, there are some oxidation and reduction reactions are occurring in the body, for which organism, they breathe, they respire, they take oxygen from the outside, and by this oxygen reduction reactions occur in the body and energy is released, and the process is known as respiration, and is very important process exhibited by living organisms. The next is transport. Now nutrition occurs in the body, they take food, then energy is released, or the food is digested in a particular part of the body. Now it is needed by whole body, all parts of the body, energy is needed by all parts of the body. Now byproducts are also produced, they should also be removed. All these things are done by a particular transport system in living organisms. Next is excretion. Now we have done that various chemical reactions, they occur in the body, biochemical reactions, they occur in the body, and byproducts are produced, wastes are produced, and they should be removed because they are harmful for the living organism. And the process and the system by which living organisms are able to get rid of these all waste products is known as excretion. Now growth. All living organisms, they grow. Now reproduction, the process by which the living organisms give birth to young ones of their own kind, that is known as reproduction. All living organisms, they reproduce their own kind. Next is control and coordination. There is a mechanism of control and coordination in the body of living organisms. Now next is what about viruses. हमने अभी डिफ्रेंशिएट किया लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को, उनके बारे में स्टडी किया, उनके लाइफ प्रोसेसेस के बारे में स्टडी किया. नाउ वायरसेस, ये लिविंग हैं या नॉन लिविंग हैं. स्टार्ट में हमने डिस्कस किया देयर आर मॉलिक्यूलर एक्टिविटीज़, मॉलिक्यूलर मूवमेंट्स, मॉलिक्यूलर रिएक्शंस इन द बॉडी ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, बट वायरसेस दे डू नॉट शो एनी मॉलिक्यूलर मूवमेंट, एनी मॉलिक्यूलर रिएक्शन unless they enter the body of the living organisms. So on this point, on the basis of this point, there is the controversy whether viruses are living or non-living.